Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Dollar Tree haul and I'm super excited because I actually was able to find a lot of things. This time around I did go to a different one near my house. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want me to continue making content like this. And very quickly, thank you so much for all the love and support. I haven't gotten back to all the comments, but I always appreciate it. You guys are so sweet and kind, and it really motivates me and thrills me to continue to film for you all. So thank you so much once again, and let's get right into this video. So I definitely recommend everybody to go to Dollar Tree. Sorry for all the noise. I definitely recommend anybody to go to Dollar Tree just because they have a lot of things if you really go and try to look. So I did spend, I think I might have to do this video standing up where I could see where I'm pointing. Okay. So I literally just got back from Dollar Tree maybe about like 20 minutes ago. So I found these pearl face and body gems and I'm like, wow, these are literally perfect for nails. So you can use these for what it says, or you can also use it to do nail art or like nail designs. And I love how it has a variety of different sizes. Like this will look really pretty in different looks, and it is flat back and everything, so fits perfectly for nails. So yeah, I really was happy to find this. I did find this around where they have like nail polishes and everything of that nature. Then I did find some really nice press-on nails. The glue is not included, but they do have I think like a variety of different ones that you can choose from for press-ons or nails in general if you want to put nail tips on. So this does bring 12, and look how pretty this particular press-on set is. I loved it. So I'm just gonna quickly open it just to show you a little bit in further detail, but here it also explains the way you can apply them. And I also love making 3+ week nail prep with press-ons, like how I make my nails last 3+ weeks, showing like the actual preparation. So here's what the nail looks like from the side and from the front. And I like how the nails they carry are sturdy from the bottom and very flimsy where you're going to apply it towards the cuticle. So this is what it would look like. It is so pretty. So pretty. And by the way, guys, don't mind my nails. They look, I have like this really bad anxiety that I literally start tearing apart my nails. Does that happen to any of you? Like I'll literally start tearing them apart. I don't even know why. And even though it's painful. But anyways, yeah, I'm sorry about that. But you guys have to look at my distasteful looking nails. But yeah, these are very nice. I like these. And I can't wait to film and make content on these things that I have purchased. Okay, so that is that. Then I also went ahead and got this pedicure set. The reason why I got it was because of the buffer and the separators. I really like that, and also it's nice to have for yeah, for a pedicure set. I mean, why not? This was a nice set, and everything I got was $1.25. Everything in the Dollar Tree now ranges from $1.25 to $5. So it brings a toe separator. It also brings I forgot what this is called. Wow. Okay, I also like how it says that it's made with natural, recycled, and other materials. So it brings a foot file and explains in further detail here. So that's nice. We have this handy foot file. We also get a nice rough grit file, and of course we also get a buffer with some coarse grit, which I like. So let me just move this further down so you can see a little bit better. So I really picked that up. Next we have these press-on nails by LA Colors, and they're apparently new. They also bring 12 pieces, and I'm not going to open them just because then I'll probably lose them. I don't really have anything on hand right now to store them, but if you notice, there's such cute detailing on every nail, and it also tells you how to apply them. So I really like this. I thought it was really cute, and I love the almond shape. That was nice. Oh, it also shows you here the designs that it brings. That's really cute. I like that. Then I also found this cuticle oil, which I was really happy to find. It also has crystals in it. It has the lapis lazuli crystal. I don't know if I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but it tells you how to use it, the ingredients, and it's formulated with jojoba oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. So nice. Let's see what this looks like. So this is very, very pretty. I absolutely love it. I love how it has crystals in it. And it's very nice. It's cuticle oil by Be Pure. And then I'm not really sure. Oh, okay. So it is a dropper, and I definitely need some. So then you just click on here to dispense of the oil. I really like that. It's really neat. And it smells super, super nice. Wow, I absolutely love this. And no wonder there was literally only one left. Now I know why. And I think they have, pretty sure they probably have more. So definitely check out your Dollar Tree. Because they definitely have a lot more stuff now. So definitely got better. So yeah, we have that, which I really, really like, and I love the way it smells. So I also went ahead and found a different color of the same little pearls, but this is more in like a gold. It's so, so cute. I absolutely love it. They both bring 72 pieces. Then I also found these at the crafts section. So the reason why I got these was because you could easily encapsulate these with acrylic or polygel, or you can also use this to make your own cuticle oil and put it as garnish. So I thought that was so cute. Definitely in the craft section, I did notice that they have a lot of things that you can work with in regards to nails. So don't hesitate to not look at that section, because you'll be surprised at things that you can do with the things that they have, the items that they have at the craft station at the Dollar Tree. So these are really, really nice. Let me go ahead and open these up. Yeah, you could easily cut these, encapsulate them. They're made out of paper, and they also have pearls. You could easily remove them or put them back on and encapsulate. It's up to you. But yeah, so this is literally excellent. It's like a replica of dried flowers. So definitely check these out. Yeah, it says paper flowers, so it's literally awesome. You can definitely use them for encapsulation. Next, I went ahead and found some neon glitters 4-pack. These I found in the craft section. Like I mentioned, they have a lot of great things on at the craft section there. So okay, there's something in the back, but yeah, it brings 4 glitters. I like these. I thought they were nice, and then it has a dispenser like that for you don't pour out the entire container. So I like that. Glitter shakers. So I was happy because this time around I definitely felt like I found better things at this Dollar Tree than last time. I also came across some like these little jewels and gems, and they bring 55 pieces each, and you could literally use these as to do like rhinestone work and stuff like that to add to the nails. So this is awesome. I was really happy to see that there. I literally found such great stuff. Literally, like, you can put this on your nail, you can bedazzle your nails, or you can just add it on like some design, whatever you like. You can do just so much. So I was super happy to find that. And I also found these round ones, these blue round ones, and it also brings 55 pieces. So I was super happy. The fact that I found these. But then again, I was there for quite a while because I wanted to make sure that I found some nice things this time around. And so yeah. I keep saying I'm alone. I'm sorry about that. I also found some other individual glitters that they had there, which I thought were great because it brings 15 grams of glitter, which is a lot. For $1.25, I think that's awesome. So yeah, these are also in the craft section, and it looks like this to pour it out and do your thing with your nails. So I was just so happy today. I didn't even expect to find this amount of stuff. There's definitely going to be multiple parts to this video, just because I did buy, I think, about a great lonesome of stuff. Let's just say that. So here we have another really pretty glitter. Super nice. And all affordable. So for everything that you guys have seen in this haul was only $1.25. That's why I always mention and suggest that you check out your local Dollar Tree. Next, I also found, the reason why I got this was because it had the nail gems on it, but I also could use this nail polish to like do nail stamping or something like that. But yeah, the main reason why I purchased it was because I wanted the LA Colors nail gems. So I thought that was really cute. Some of them they had put like that for some reason at the Dollar Tree that I went to. They combined these together, or maybe it became that way. So it does bring a normal nail polish from LA Colors. So it brings that, and then also brings the nail gems, which is the reason why I got it. And it brings oh, I like how it has like that protective lid on. Okay. So this is what it looks like when you open them. They're just gems for your nails, like little heart shaped rhinestones, which I love, and it definitely brings a good amount. So love that. Just want to be careful because I don't want to spill anything. So I thought that was a really nice touch that it was set up like that. But yeah, now I'm going to show you guys a couple more things. And then I think I'm going to close out the haul. So I also ended up getting green glitter. They didn't have like the biggest variety of glitters, but I think they had about like 6 or 7 different colors. I also got the glitter in red. So they all look the same. But yeah, that is everything that I'll be showing in today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item, or if you have purchased any of the items that you saw in today's video, or if you have purchased any nail related items from Dollar Tree that you like or enjoy or want to share. Thank you guys once again for watching. Don't forget to like, hit that notification bell to get notified every single time that I post. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me, for watching my content, and for still sticking by. I'll see you guys next time.